Do you think I use 8K, 4K textures and materials to make it more real or photorealistic?
What do you think about this animation? Do you think I use 8K, 4K textures and materials to make it more real or photorealistic? Or just I use regular texture with good lighting and good placement, object placement, foliage placement? Let me show you how I use textures in my project. Here you see 3 screenshots, 3 renders from the same material with different resolutions. I want to ask you, what is your guess about the resolutions? We have 3 types of resolution: 2K, 4K, and 8K. You have these 3 renders, and I want to know what is your guess about the resolutions. Even now, do you see any differences here? I don't think so, because it's really hard to say they have any difference between them. But here's why. Unreal Engine can't show the 8K or 4K textures with the precise of the other softwares like 3D Max or others, because Unreal Engine is a gaming software, game engine, and it's optimized to be a gaming engine, not to be rendering cinematic rendering software, its own optimization settings. If you see textures from distance, you don't see any differences between 2K, 4K, and 8K. But when you zoom in them and make a close-up shots, you can clearly see the differences between them. Sometimes you have the close shot of an hero object, or you have a hero shot. It's the best shot or best object you want to show in that situations. Yes, I always use the highest quality texture. It can be 8K or 4K, not 2K for the hero objects, but 4K and 8K is pretty good for this kind of objects and this kind of shots. I just recommend use 8K and 4K texture in these situations, not all of the situations, because it costs you GPU memory or VRAM and your system memory or RAM, because if you use higher quality textures, it uses higher capacity of your VRAM and memory, and it will destroy your project when you have dozens of 8K or 4K textures and when you don't have much VRAM or memory. This is a very important thing to know. Here is the close-up shots. We have 3 close-up shots from 3 texture, 3 type of resolutions: 2K, 4K, 8K. In these shots, you can clearly see the details, and if we watch 8K, we can see the best details we can have, but in the 2K, we have the lowest details we can have. But in the distance, we don't have any differences between them. Because of this, I recommend you to use 8K and 4K textures in just hero shots and hero objects. There is an interesting thing to know about differences between 2K, 4K, 8K. Always people think 8K is just double than 4K, but it's not true, because 8K textures is 4 times bigger and denser than 4K textures. Even memory usage, you can see 4K texture maybe have 100 megabyte memory requirements, but 8K texture have 400 megabyte, and this can show the difference between them, the really big difference. But in the visuals, you don't have that much differences. This is a fact you need to know. For example, in these shots here, you can see you don't need to have 8K textures in this kind of situations when you don't have any distance, when you have pretty distance between the camera and your environment, because we don't see the details. We don't need the details in the materials in this kind of shots, and this is matter because this can save your project. This can save your frame rate in the viewport, and this can save your timing when you render your project, or when you need to get executable export from your Unreal project in architecture project or games. It can affect your VRAM usage and RAM usage, and this is very important thing in the gaming industry, to use optimized textures and materials to get lowest possible memory usage and VRAM usage. At the end, I need to say you a very important thing. The quality of an environment or a scene, it doesn't depend on the quality of your textures. This is matter. Of course it's matter. But it's not all what you need to have. Maybe it's 30%. You need to have good lighting, you need to have good shadows, and you need to have good texture package. What I mean about good texture package, I mean you need to have diffuse texture, normal texture, roughness texture, and if it's possible, ambient occlusion texture. And if your material need to have displacement or nanotessellation in Unreal Engine, you need to have displacement texture. Displacement is very important texture in environments, or in any textures you need to have 3D details. Normal can't make you 3D details, it's just 2D details. Overall, displacement and nanotessellation in Unreal Engine is very useful for making your environment and your texture alive, and can make shadows with that displacement, and it's make your texture more photorealistic, your material more real. And this is very important thing to know. Hope you like this video and enjoy the content and use it inside your project. See you in the next tutorial with another useful things.